Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I macro braid my hair. So we're just going to get right into the video. So as you can see, I divided the hair into two. I'm braiding this other one on the side, and then I'm going to go into the other side and start to macro braid. So right now I just starting to braid the hair, and just so you guys know, I'm not braiding my hair too tight because I'm gonna braid my edges. I'm not gonna leave my edges out. So that's what I am doing. I'm not gonna leave my edges out because I have been leaving my edges out for too long now. It's starting to break out. So if I see this happening, I always like to braid my hair in a way that I grab my edges and my edges come back. So as you can see, is small. When I say I got tired, I even took a nap. I forgot that I had to go somewhere, and my friend was like, Rita, are you up? Up? And I was like, what do you mean if I'm still going? Something like that, you know. She was like, Rita, you sound like you are sleeping. We have to go somewhere. So I'm like, somewhere where? She's like, don't you know we had to go to our friend birthday party? And I was like, it's today? I thought it was tomorrow. So I had to get up. Okay, this is the joke. So I had to get up really fast, and then I had to finish crocheting the back because I just did the front, and then I fell asleep to crochet the back the next day. And then when she called me, she's like, you up? Like, you sleeping? And I was like, what are you talking about? She's like, the birthday party is today. And I was like, are you kidding me? So I had to get up, do my makeup, and then finish the back. You see? Yeah. That's how tired I was from just doing the top of my hair. So just imagine if I did the whole hair like this, would have took me like a week or something like that. Because when I say it was small, it was small, you know? But anyways, as you can see, again, I'm just braiding my hair, and I'm at the top here, like I'm at the front, but I'm not braiding my edges too tight, because if I do that, it's going to break. That's why I prefer to braid my edges myself. I try to go to someone before to do this for me, and I will never do that again. When I say everything came out, everything, like my edges came out, I was like so sad. I had to treat my hair and do, oh my, it was just a nightmare. I was like, I'm never gonna do it. So since then, I've been doing it by myself, and it has been working a lot for me because I have been doing it by myself. So as you can see, this is how the hair is looking. You guys see this? This is really tiny, small, anything you want to call it. This is so small, but I am in love. You guys see what I'm talking about? This is what I'm talking about. And the color just suits me so well. When I say the color suit me, it suits me so well. So we just gonna continue braiding the hair. You guys see my face? Look at my face from the IQ10. I always like to talk about my IQ10 journey every time I come on any of my videos, so you guys should be expecting me to talk about it. The only problem I'm having right now is my lip. When I say my lip is going through this IQ10, it's going through this IQ10. When I say this lip is lipping, it's lipping. But I just love how it's kind of big, like, you know, like it got kind of plump. That's the part that I love. But it's getting drier every single day, and sometimes it's hard for me, like, you know, and I forget sometimes, and sometimes I'm just like, oh well. But I always like to put on like lip gloss, you know, if I have to go outside. I always like to put on like lip gloss so that, you know, it can be so dry. But you guys will see in the video that it got dry a little bit, and I kind of forgot to put lip gloss on, you know. So yeah, but yeah, I'm continuing to braid this hair. At this point, I was tired. Like, I was like, I gotta stop. But then I was like, I gotta keep on going, because I was like, let me finish doing the top, and then I'm gonna leave the back for the next day. And then boom, my friend called me. and I had no idea that we had to go somewhere this night, you see. And it was so good that I started to do my hair. It was so good. I'm just like, good, because trust me, I didn't feel like to work. Right now I'm taking a break from wigs. Like, I wore wigs a lot, and I'm trying to take a break from wigs so that I can start to wear my natural hair, like, just played with my hair and wear all these braids and these fun stuff, because I really like to wear these type of hairstyles. So right now that's what I'm gonna be doing, and trust me, I'm loving it. I am loving every hairstyle that you guys have seen on my head. I am loving it, because I feel like it's good for us to show our own hair. Don't always have to wear the wig all the time. It's good for us to wear our braids and crochet here and there, half up. It's good, it's good. So as you can see now, I'm continuing to braid the hair. When I say this hair, oh my god, I was just out of it. I was like, when am I gonna be done? But I was like, I have to finish this top tonight, and it was good that I did. But yeah, I love the cutter. And just so y'all should know, this hair is $6, because it was 5 something plus tax, and it came out to $6, and I got 1 pack of expression hair. I'm gonna look for the color, the package. I'm gonna put it up on the screen for you guys so that you can see the color that I use. Okay, so as you can see right now, your girl looks tired here. I was out of it, but I was still pushing it. Like, you see, my lip got dry. It got dry, and I was like, I don't know where my lip balm was. I just left it. So I apologize for the dry lip. I apologize for the dry lip. But yeah, at this point, I was still going. And when I say I love the hair, I'm going to continue saying it. I said it before, and I'm saying it to you guys again, that I really love how my hair came out, And I use a 1 pack of expression hair, which comes in 3, 1, 2, 3. I think this was like the 42-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this was like the 42-inch. So if you are on a budget and you don't have a lot of money, and you know how to do your own hair, or you have somebody that can do your own hair on a good budget, girl, go and get your pack of expression hair, because this can last you for 2 weeks to a month, when I tell you. But for me, y'all know I know how to do my hair, so it's gonna last me for only 2 weeks. So as you can see, I finished up the top, and I took a nap, and that's the time my friend called me. So I came running back in front of the camera so that I can finish doing the hair. So I'm just starting to crochet the hair right now. I'm not doing it in any particular order, because that's the back. I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm just gonna keep it at the back, just slick it back, and that's it. That's it. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just crocheting it. It's not in any particular order. I'm just freestyling, just put it there, ta 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 ta, and let go. So that's what I am doing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And to all my new subscribers, thank you guys for coming and subscribing to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. I really appreciate all the love that you guys are showing me on my video. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video, and God bless.